Welcome to TheraForge MagicBox, our low-code and no-code solution for digital health app developments. Today, we'll delve into the user-friendly customization features of MagicBox, exploring how to modify its appearance using your innovative low-code approach. MagicBox is a cloud-enabled temple app tailored for digital health solutions, leveraging the TheraForge toolbox frameworks and the CloudBox serverless cloud service. Designed for health institutions and doctors, MagicBox simplifies the implementation of surveys, activities, contact information, and other crucial patient data management tasks. Utilizing key iOS technologies such as HealthKit, ResearchKit, and CareKit, alongside an offline-first cloud database, MagicBox ensures secure and efficient collection and storage of users' health data. Advanced class-based end-to-end encryption safeguards sensitive documents. To discover more about MagicBox, please visit our public GitHub repository or visit our website. As previously mentioned, MagicBox leverages CareKit, a framework by Apple that helps users to manage their health effectively through apps. One of the main modules of CareKit is CareKit UI, which provides a set of visual components such as test cards, charts, and contact information cards. We can provide a custom styling across these components by making use of the OCK style protocol, which allows to provide custom colors to be applied throughout the components of an app, providing a seamless customization to the whole application. On MagicBox, we develop a solution which allows developers to easily customize the appearance of our application, following a similar approach which, when configured through a low-code solution, is automatically applied through the app to both CareKit components and components from TheraForge's design system. Let's see how it works. Inside the MagicBox Xcode project, you find the YAML file appsys_parameter, which serves as a central hub for the low-code configuration for our project. This configuration includes a setup of visual characteristics of our application. As we navigate throughout the file, we'll find a prominent section dedicated to define different styles for the app's components. These styles are organized into an array of labeled styles, providing developers with a convenient way to preview and manage all style options. Each style is a collection of key value pairs, where each key represents a visual attribute and its corresponding value dictates the specific characteristics associated with it. A style contains properties like colors and fonts that determines how various UI elements will look throughout the app. For instance, developers can define properties such as text color for assigning the colors of primary labels, background colors for assigning background color for card components, and text font for assigning the font of the labels in the app. You can tailor those parameters to align with the desired aesthetic you're trying to achieve. To apply style to the entire app, you simply specify the desired style name into the selected style fields on the same file. This tells MagicBox which style will be applied globally throughout the app. This means that every button, text field, label, and other UI elements reflect the visual attributes defined in the chosen style. And if you end up providing a valid style name under the selected style field, the app will gracefully fall back into default style. The styles apply thoroughly the app thanks to the app style modifier. This modifier takes an instance of OTFStyle, which holds the attributes of the chosen style in the YAML file. This OTFStyle instance Use the attributes to create styling protocols for both CareKit and TheraForge design system components. These protocols are then set up as environment objects throughout the app through the app style modifier, which will help to enforce a standard layout and experience across the components for both frameworks and to the rest of the MagicBox app. By ensuring consistency in styling and visual presentation, developers can create a seamless user experience that feels cohesive and polished. If we run the app, we can verify that the attributes we've set on our current style are being applied cohesively across the app and in the components from both frameworks. For example, when running a style with the green tint color, we can notice the action buttons for the contact cards from CareKit and the informational card component from our design system contain a similar appearance. When testing out a style, it's important to ensure that the style maintains consistency across various views and components within the app. This consistency is crucial for creating a cohesive and polished user experience. While MagicBox already comes with a set of styles, we can further customize the appearance by creating a brand new style from scratch. Let's navigate back to the app's parameter YAML file to get started. In the styles array, we'll start by adding a style object. Let's give it a unique name and fill each attribute to our liking. As we fill out each property, it's essential to consider design principles such as contrast, readability, and accessibility. Refer to Apple's Human Interface Guidelines for guidance on selecting appropriate colors and design elements for your style properties. For this example though, let's just stick to the default values and only change the colors of the buttons to pink and the labels to indigo. Once we update our style parameters, we can use it by updating the selected style value to the name of our newly added custom style and run the app to check how it looks. Once the app is running, you can check how the app appearance has changed and how the visual components from both frameworks have a cohesive visual with the rest of the application. In our example, we consider the informational card from TheraForge Design System framework now has a title label with indigo tint, while the action buttons have a pink color, just like the other buttons on the tab and in the navigation bar. If we go over to the CareKit components, such as the simple task card, we can see that it has a similar visual to the informational card we just saw. The labels have an indigo color applied to them, while the complete task button has a pink accent. With that, we've ensured the application now has a consistent layout throughout its components, based on the characteristics of the style we've just created. Once again, it's important to guarantee a consistent visual across the app in order to provide a better experience for your users. While working with MagicBox, you might want to use a custom component in your app. Your custom components can also make use of our styling solution properties in order to align its appearance with the rest of the application. For example, let's say that we have this drop-down component. Initially, it presents a title label and a short description, but once we interact with it, it expands to display a longer description and an action button related to that information. Let's try to use the style that is applied to the rest of the app into this drop-down component. You can access the attributes of the currently selected style by making use of the environment feature in SwiftUI. The current style applied to the app is exposed through the OTFStyle environment value. After adding as a property to your view, you'll be able to apply the attributes of the style to your components. We'll apply the label color from a style into the title label, and the button tint color into the chevron icon and the action button inside the components. To check the layout for components with the applied style on the SwiftUI preview canvas, we can add the app style modifier to review in the preview provider, just like how it's being implemented in the scene delegate of the MagicBox app. After applying the modifier, we can see the components preview has been updated, now with the colors of the indigo style we created a while ago. With the title label now having an indigo color, and the buttons and the components are now displaying the same pink accent from before. If you need to access the style properties outside of SwiftUI view, such as in a component built with UIKit, you can use the OTF YAML style class to get the values from the YAML file and use them whenever you need them. In conclusion, TheraForge MagicBox offers a powerful solution for developers looking to create customized digital health apps with ease. By leveraging our low-code approach and the intuitive customization features provided by the app's parameter file, developers can create visually stunning and consistent user experience across all components of their app. MagicBox allows developers to tailor the app's appearance to suit their unique requirements and preference, whether it's changing button colors, adjusting text fonts, or fine-tuning background colors. MagicBox empowers developers to create apps that not only look great, but also provide a seamless and intuitive user experience. Thank you for joining us on this journey through MagicBox customization features. We hope you found this tutorial useful, and we look forward to seeing the amazing digital health apps you create with MagicBox.